Mic check 1 2 1 2. So we are back.
We're back, Junkwax Nation,
for another video.
We're here. Yes,
so we are doing 22-23 NBA trading cards, mega box. But this is mega box.
Mosaic.
Mosaic. See if we can find some big heads. Let's go.
Found it in the wild, right?
Yeah, we found this in the wild, fam. So we found this in the wild, we put it on ice, and here we are opening it up, and I'm butchering this box like always. So I'm just a rough type of person.
You put things on ice momentarily. You end up butchering it.
Always. The thing is, we have so much stuff. Are we going to get to everything?
Set the Pokemon celebration. We're going to sit on that.
One time.
We're going to let the next 25 years pass.
I have to sell it, probably. Alright, so let's get going. Let's see if we can find a nice auto. Alright, look at this clay.
Thompson. Angelo.
Oh, bag and tag that.
Yeah?
Yeah. Chet Holmgren.
Oh, Luca.
Oh, Elevate too.
Oh, Anthony Edwards, epic performers. Bag and tag. Oh, Tyrese Maxey, bag and tag that. Oh, that's Jamal Murray. Bag and tag Jamal Murray.
Yeah, damn, fam.
Oh, that's the yellow mosaic.
You're going bag and tag crazy right now.
No, you know what? Yeah, she's bag.
Just bag those two?
Yeah.
Alright. Don't let me stop you, fam.
Oh,
there
bag and
is.
tag him too.
This
That's
is
the
the
rookie I wanted.
It's the
Cover boy.
cover boy. Oh, look, on the
Joker.
road, Joker. Oh, there's another rookie. Oh, there's the guy that got beat up by John Wick.
Got murdered.
Got smoked. Him and it's slow. Mad slow, man. Gotta move faster. We want to beat John Wick, you gotta move fast.
Yeah.
You can't just be like,
Who's that?
Jerry Sakan.
Kenny Lofton Jr.
Damian Lillard.
Woolard.
Bogey.
Yeah. All right, 3 more packs of this mega box. Okay, mega box is supposed to be the best of the best, right? Nice, Tyler Hero. Alright, 2 more packs. Two more packs.
Ant-Man.
What was the base Edwards?
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, there's a bunch here.
Mobley.
Wow, nice. Alright, last pack magic. Let's go. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, check out our other videos.
Check us out.
Rookie. Oh, that's a big head.
Vince Carter.
Vince Carter.
Nice.
Grant Williams.
Nice. Alright. So these were the hitters that we liked. Got a couple more coming. So that's awesome. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we'll catch you at the next one.